Normally, on your Android phone, if you're taking a screenshot, you can hear a sound. But if you don't want this kind of sound and you want to disable that screenshot sound, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to disable the screenshot sound on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. In the Settings, you can see the Search Settings option above. Click on Search Settings, and here search for Screenshot. When you search for Screenshot only, you can see the Screenshot sound option. According to brands, there will be some changes. I'm using a POCO branded phone. In POCO branded phones, it is Screenshot sound. Anyways, you can see similar settings like this. Anyways, click on that. And when you click on that, you can see the settings here. In POCO branded phones, it is in additional settings. Anyways, when you search for that option only, you can see this option. Anyways, here you can see the screenshot sound option. If it is turned on, what you need to do is, you need to turn this off. After this, if you're taking a screenshot, you cannot hear that sound. So, this way you can easily disable the screenshot sound on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.